Learning to speak Welsh can open doors on some amazing opportunities, like learning a new skill.
Beth yw e? Triangle?
Da iawn.
Helping you to enjoy together. Using your Welsh at work.
Sut ydych chi heddi?
Tipyn gwell, diolch.
Oh, mae'n dda clywed hynny.
Can be really rewarding. It's a language that can bring people together.
Bore da.
Bore da. Wyt ti eisiau coffi?
Oh, please.
Iawn.
Diolch.
Helping you make new friends. So whether you're just starting to learn, neu os dych chi eisiau ymarfer eich Cymraeg gyda ni, go to learnwelsh.cymru and open the door on an exciting new journey. Where will learning Cymraeg take you?